Hi first graders, it's Mrs. Collins here. Welcome to your asynchronous reading assignment for today, for Monday. You're going to do 3 things for me. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to listen to me read this book. We're going to listen to this book called Baby Animals on the Move. It is so cute. Seriously, there's baby turtles in it. It's adorable. I love it. And then you're going to click on this B button and you're going to answer a question and fill out a workbook page about the book we read. You know me, I like when you listen to videos twice because it really helps you remember what you heard and recall what you listened to. Next, after you're done with those 2 assignments, you're going to go to your Wonders, so the red McGraw-Hill button in your HSD2 portal. You're going to click on Wonders Grade 1 and your Assignments button, and you're going to look for this read aloud story. It's called I Can, We Can. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Sorry, bringing it over. It opens up a story just like this. Now I want you to read the story out loud. If you have someone to read it with you, that's wonderful. If not, do your best. Sound out each word. So for instance, I can. And what's he doing? He's swimming. I can swim. Do your best to read all the pages, and we'll go over it in class. Have a great rest of your day.